everybody out there. It's Kelly and Kelly's Philippine Adventure. Sorry about the background noise. We have a lot of kids out there playing in the pool right now. We have a pretty busy day today. Had a funny thing happen. We went to the market. Today is Sunday. It's our day to go shopping. So we went shopping, and in the process of that, we went to SM Mall, and we found out that they were packed. So we decided to go to City Mall for the groceries, and then over across the street to the wet market. In the process of doing that, Anne went into the City Mall because they're only allowing one person in at the mall at a time with one pass, and then you have to have a pass to get into the wet market. So she went into the City Mall, came out with the groceries, and put them in a van. And then she said, "Okay, love you. I'm going to go to the wet market. I'll be back in a little while." I said, "Okay, great." So I sat there. About 15-20 minutes after she left, I got a knock on my window, and it was from the guard saying, "No, you can't park here. You must move up the street a little bit because this is parking for people for the, for customers." So I said, "Okay." So I pulled up, about 6 cars on the same side of the road, just found another spot. And I waited, and a half hour went by, and I got no call from Ann, because our routine is, "Hon, I'm done. Come pick me up." And I'd pick her up at the gate right there where she came out of the wet market. So I waited, and I got nothing. So I'm like, what's going on here? So like 30 minutes went by, and I'm texting her about every 2 or 3 minutes. "Are you okay? You ready for the pickup?" On and on and on. And then the funny thing happened was I got a text message from my sister-in-law, who's here at the house. And she said, "Hon, where are you? Where you parked?" And the first thought I had was, why is my sister-in-law calling me hun? And why is she wondering where I parked at? She's watching Liam back at the house. And then so I thought, well, maybe it's just a glitch in my phone. So I tried calling Ann again. I got nothing. Finally, another text came in about 5 minutes after that saying, "Hun, it's me. I couldn't find you. I couldn't find your parking spot. Come home." She grabbed the trike and she went out. So I sat there for almost an hour, and she was already at the house. And then she went to the house, and so I took off and went down there. I went back to the house, just drove to the house. Come to find out, when she went into the City Mall and she came back out, she put the bag in the back of the van, but she also dropped her phone in the plastic bag. So she didn't have a cell phone. And then when she went to the wet market, I was told to pull up. So when she came back to where I was parked, I was no longer there. And she waited there for a little while, maybe she thinking I was circling or something. But finally, she just couldn't wait no longer. And she said I had to get the meat and stuff back to the house. So she grabbed a trike, and then she just called me when she got back to the house. This is what she did. So that was our funny time. Now, I got some video here of today here at the house. I got some video up. It was cloudy, but I got the drone up. I had to get the drone up because I got to keep it updated. You have to update it. It's like phones. So I wanted to get it updated. In the process, I got some video, and I'll put it up here with this video. Also, it was a nice drive over to the market. I got some of that and some inside the SM Mall. It looks like it's back to normal, but there's a lot of work still to be done there. Everything with children is closed, but you just take a look, see what you think. like it's all back to normal almost. Except for all the kids stuff. The kids stuff's still closed. Get up on top here. Everything looks normal, but if you look around, they still have the seats and all the chairs up here. Everything seems open. It's a lot better, but of course you see this mask still on everyone. This is where right here is where you sit while you're waiting for the grocery store. They take 50 at a time, where they were, but people aren't stocking up on food like they were, so it's not an issue. So we got lucky. Yep, as you can see, they're going out, they're marching out, they're leaving over here. So I think I was mistaken. This is the grocery line right here. Yeah, this is the grocery line here. Oh, there she is. No, that's not her. There she is. And, whew, and, it's your choice. You want to leave? We go, okay. We're going to go to the other store. question is, what do you, when I see him hit on there, what do you do when you're hitting? What are you looking for? For rightness or? Everyone covers, everyone covers.
How much? How many?
Just this one. I think I would cut my fingers off if I tried that.
One.
That's a lot of stuff in there.
Gonna scrape it, sir, or?
Yeah, scrape's fine.
Okay.
That's how my wife likes it, scraped out. She was here a moment ago.
Oh, she's Filipino?
Yeah. I like the coconut when it's dry.
Oh, the most.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's yummy sir because it's hard to.
Chew. Yeah, it is kind of hard, but that's. I don't like it like that. The wet.
Oh, yeah.
My wife made something for me, and I was like, nah, thank you. Okay, well, there you go. That's our little video for today. We took you along with us. Not a real exciting video, as a lot you can't do anymore while we're on lockdown. Speaking of lockdown, we have an update on that. We were supposed to be downgraded to modified quarantine on the 12th. That didn't happen. They pushed it to the 15th, which is tomorrow. But then we heard today that we may actually be going back up to what they call ECQ, Enhanced Community Quarantine, because we have such a spike in cases now, and even our mayor here in Constellation was found to have this virus. So we will have to see. Now, if They upgrade us to ECQ tomorrow. I may do a short follow-up video tomorrow about what we're allowed to do and how it's changed and how it affects us. But that's it for today. Please leave any comments below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And what else? Be safe, everybody. I'll see you on our next Philippine adventure. Bye-bye.